What's going on YouTube? It's me, Oz here from Ralph Productions. So I have an unboxing for you guys. This is from the letter from DMV, Virginia Department of Motor Vehicles. Now, for those of you that have been following my Facebook page, you probably know this already. I just passed my driver's test, and right in this envelope is my permit card. And my wallet in here, which I'm going to store the permit itself in. So here we go. So it comes in this little packet right here. This is gonna be the same exact packet that it's gonna come in when you get your license. So here is my permit right there. It says Virginia under 21 DL Learners Permit. So we're gonna take that out now. So there you go. That is my permit card that I'm gonna be using if I am planning on driving. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and put in my wallet here and see if it fits. I haven't tested it on my wallet. Now, I've had this wallet since 2009, before my dad died. For those of you who do not know, my father passed away on my birthday back in 2009. On my birthday, which was on December 3rd. But there you go. So it fits perfectly in my wallet. And this is gonna be the wallet. Then this is where I'm gonna be storing my license whenever I get that. Now, as I said, according to the Virginia law, I have to wait at least 2 months in order to. I have to have my permit for at least 2 months in order to apply for a license. Which is kind of unfortunate, though there are some states that require you to have at least you're supposed to wait like 6 months in order to get your license without having to get your permit. But there you go. That's the unboxing of my permit, and I thank you guys for watching.